I just got back from a day at the cafe doing some work with my friend Gunnar. We edited some reels for the shop's nomination for Best of Middle Georgia, and I worked on this form for this really exciting project that I have coming up. Oh, hello. Get you some nice kitty ASMR. I am going to the river to walk/run. I mostly will be walking. I'm ready to just feel the warmth of the sun on my skin and to decompress a little bit. I feel like I've been go recently. I'm gonna make myself some food because I really need some nourishment right now. And then I'm gonna get changed. I'm gonna go to the river. I'm gonna just breathe. It's such a disaster in my room right now, but honestly, I don't even care. I'm at this point where I'm realizing that I procrastinate on, creating YouTube videos because I feel like my space isn't good enough or something, like I make some excuse or another, but I'm tired of living in that mindset. There is beauty in the authentic reality of day-to-day life, and I want to create these little documentations of what my life actually looks like, not just some superficial, curated thing that actually is only a tiny little percentage of what's happening in my life. And I don't know, I'm about to move to a new place, which is really exciting and honestly firing me up a lot, but I feel like I've done so much growing and just living life in this space that I'm currently living in that I need to honor it a little bit more with some of the visions that I've had for a YouTube channel and like actually following through with creating the content that I feel inspired to create. It also sometimes looks like me spilling coffee all over my pants. I'm not even sure if you can see it. I did a pretty good job of getting it out. But today at the coffee shop, spilled my coffee all over my nice white pants. And that's pretty much the only time that I spill coffee like that is when I'm wearing this exact pair of pants. Momo, you better relax. Knocking over my camera. Yeah. Get down with it. Oh, it's so hard to open. Ah! Ooh, nothing hits harder than melon in the springtime. Whoa. Shake, 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 shake. No. I'm so cringe. Mother, please help me. Oh my god, it honestly could use some more. I'm gonna put some more in there. All right, let's bounce. Listen to this sound. I love it. No, maybe I just want to listen to nature. Do I want to listen to music or nature? Start with just nature. Oh, to be a girl getting out of her car. Oh my gosh. Time to go walkies. I love little bends in the woods like this. So mysterious. I found honeysuckles. Oh, so beautiful. Just. All right, what am I gonna wish for right now? Oh, I already knocked some off. Is that bad luck? Okay, let's see. I didn't blow it all off. I think that's bad luck. Whatever. Who needs wishes when you're powerful? It's so red. Looks like an apple in the tree. Hi, where were you guys? Trying to trick me. I found a special person. Special people. I picked up this book yesterday at the Daily Dose in Atlanta. It's a cookbook called Salad Meals. I just find myself always letting produce go bad in the fridge just because I don't know how to get creative with it, and I just kind of forget that it's there. And so I'm hoping that this is going to serve as a source of inspiration. I just love the feeling of having a tangible, paper-bound book in my hands that I can look through rather than just constantly scrolling through Pinterest or Instagram to find inspiration. And I also am very excited about this purchase. Finally picked up a salad spinner after many years of wasting paper towels trying to dry leafy greens. So I'm excited to use this today as well. I got the small one because it was less expensive, and generally when I'm making meals, it's just for me or for me and Patrick. Whoa. Amazing. We're gonna have dry greens. With my hands.
Oh, you know.
It's up to you, I guess. I feel like I'll watch Three Body Problem.
For sure?
Yeah.
So just...
A goose attacked my car this morning. They're so mean. They had like baby, I guess they're supposed to be more obvious. But they had little babies, but they were in the water. I'm like on the driveway, like going out. And no attention to them. He comes up and starts hissing. And my boyfriend, when I left, he was like, watch out for that guy, because he's spicy. And I was driving, and his wing literally hits my car. No, he was like, he was chasing after my car down the driveway.
Scary.
I was like, well, good morning to you too.
Yeah, getting attacked by a goose.
Yeah, no, he woke up on the wrong side of the lake this morning. Yeah. Cute. We love women doing
This is the whole shoot.
Very good. So what are we shooting?
So this one's like coquette themes, like 90s, like very girly. Just girly.
Day out on the lawn.
Yeah. Because that's how everyone hangs out after the lawn.
And then we do line dance on Tuesday and Thursday.
Line dance?
Yeah, 3 days, something every 2 days.
Yeah, I remember you said that and I was like, what did she say? Oh, it's so good. The light.
Yeah. Hello, friend.
Yes, that was literally one of my insos for another shoot. That's so funny. Okay.
So she's like bringing her head into her, like that, like a mermaid pose kind of thing. Yeah.
That's very good.
And then you're making like kind of.
Ooh, I like that.
Pull that. You guys can hold it.
We're gonna do Pilates.
Ooh, that's cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
Mm-hmm.
That's straight. You may have. Oh, it's so good. Okay, great. Keep it going. She's not taking you anywhere. You're like, look out, she's like, you didn't look so beautiful. She's like, we're gonna get the shot. I'm obsessed. What? Girl. Oh my god, I love that.
I just had the sweetest morning working on a styled shoot, very coquette, summer, lacy, girly vibes with one of my friends, Bree, who is, I believe, B Rose Photography on Instagram. Definitely check her out. Her work is absolutely stunning. I was kind of the creative assistant, and I got to shoot some film and also play around with a camcorder, Bree's camcorder. It was so much fun. I just feel so grateful and empowered by the community that I'm creating and building for myself, particularly of creatives, and beyond that, particularly of female women creatives. It's so wonderful being in a place where I feel like I have people who inspire me and push me and challenge me to become a better designer, artist, creator, etc. And speaking of community, this Thursday I am attending Making Periods Easier, Period Prom. Making Periods Easier is an organization, a nonprofit that has a mission to raise awareness and end period poverty in Middle Georgia and provide menstrual products to those who don't have access to them, who need them. And so, like I said, they're hosting a period prom fundraiser at JBA, which is an awesome little venue here in downtown Macon. And so I just got a really exciting package in the mail from House of CB. If you're not familiar, they make some really gorgeous, stunning, if I do say so myself, dresses. I think I'm gonna need a knife or some scissors. Be right back. I had to grab my coffee while I was out there. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Don't look at my butt, but look at how cute these are. Just ignore the giant pile of clothes on the floor. Sorry about that.
If you surround yourself with bad people in any city, you're gonna think the city is bad. Also, I cover those people because the city is so spread apart and there's no good public transportation. My low days where I was like really tired and stuff, but there was no point where I felt like I was in a depressive episode. My family life wasn't
This
great.
stuff is
my
the best.
social life was very
balanced,
sparse.
creamy
I love
peanut
my
and
back in my
coconut oil
hometown,
spread.
but in reality,
Ooh.
I didn't really see my friends realize because you're like caught up in your own life. There's so many things going on. You don't realize how much time is actually passing by, and by the time it gets to that point, it's gonna be too late. Obviously.
This is an undisputed fact. There is no better feeling in the world than fresh groceries filling up your kitchen. Pro tip, if you're anything like me, there's a good chance that you have half of a lemon or a lime just sitting on your counter because you didn't use it to cook. What I'm gonna do, that is so loud. You're just gonna cut up your lemon, your leftover lemon, into a couple of small pieces. So it's not like overwhelmingly large, you know? You can even leave a quarter of it. You just need a few pieces. So this is, oh, I didn't even say what this is for. This is in the case that your sink is smelling a little bit funky and you want to make that go away. You put these pieces down the garbage disposal, run the water, kind of get it down in there. Maybe like let it run for just a second and then I wouldn't recommend doing that all the time just because you can do damage to your blades in your garbage disposal. But that's why I cut it up into small pieces too, so it's not as challenging for the little guy. But it does help cover up any smells and like adds nice fresh citrus scent to your kitchen.
Vehicle company. How are you doing? Shit. Recording? Oops.
I love capturing authentic moments on camera.
So that's a video camera.
Yes. Both get, yeah. Do it again. Beautiful.
But it's still pretty special. There's not everywhere in the country is getting them.
That's cool. Tell me more about cicadas, Sophie.
Well, they're really cool. I have like a million in my backyard. I did cicada transport the other day because they were all on my
Wait, cicada transport?
like they were all on car tires and I didn't want them to get squished.
Oh my
So I put them on sticks and like we went.
Wait, aren't cicadas like invasive or don't they like do damage?
They don't do anything. They live in holes. These that are in the trees singing.
Why did
I've been underground for 17 years.
Wow, that's
Here they
actually
are.
crazy. Wait, why?
Oh, you saw them?
Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, do you mind if I
was on his back.
do you mind if I film it?
They're very. I have so many in my backyard.
Wait,
right now, and
they
just,
are
like,
kind of
they're very
cute.
docile. Yeah, they just sit
Oh,
there.
wow.
Just sit there, and then I'm scared. Oh yeah, they're all over. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I know. I feel bad because they get squished. They get squished. I mean, that's why I picked
Oh, because they're just chilling.
He was still alive. Take a picture of one of those and send it to my friends too. This is actually
the
crazy.
brood was coming. A lot of them.
Yeah.
I'm
Where they come out of.
I didn't know this vlog was turning into an educational series.
Now you know.
Whoa.
When they come out, they're like white and really soft, and I haven't seen the white ones yet.
Is this gonna weird people out that I'm You are a bug girl, aren't you? I feel like you're the bug collector. Ding 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 ding. You know that song by Haley Hendrickson? No. And oh, that's pretty. With the shadows. They look kind of freaky. But in a cool way. Wow, this is so magical right here.
Yeah, this trail is really
Oh, I just cut some really intense onions. I like have tears pouring from my eyes. They're dropping on my feet.
Moment like this is a great test of
I feel like it's been a lifetime since I last slept in. So I'm feeling really grateful to be in bed, cuddling my sweet kitty Rocco right now. He's such a cuddle bug in the morning. But today's the big day of period prom. So I'm going to spend most of the day working on some graphic design projects for a few different clients. I just haven't gotten to sleep in a while. I've been so go. So this feels so nice to just lay in bed. And the sheets have that nice and cool feeling and like just wanting to keep me sucked in, wrapped in. Her machine. I'm feeling so grateful for how life is right now. And I know, there are of course challenges. If I weren't to tell you something that you wouldn't know just from watching this video is that throughout the past week I've been dealing with a lot of joint pain. This week I've had just a lot of weird pains in my back and neck and my knees and calves. I'm just sometimes a mess, but I really try and not focus on that because I do the best that I can. Try to stay active. I put my feet up on the wall and kind of let gravity work its magic. But right now I feel good, and I just really through this YouTube journey a big goal of mine, is just to capture moments where I'm truly grounded and present, even though there's a camera running. Like, that's not affecting how I live my life. If anything, it's just a gentle reminder to be here now. Yeah. And be as authentic as possible. I feel like that word has come up a lot in this vlog, but I'm just at this point where my life feels so full of all of the things that I love, of community, of exciting creative projects and work. I feel like I've got some really nice flexible habits. Like, I don't think I operate very well when I have a very rigid daily set routine, and that's probably just the free spirit creative in my brain. I like to have some flexibility still and kind of practice habits intuitively when my body's telling me I need it. I'm going to be moving pretty soon, and I really want to pay homage almost to this space that I've lived in and worked so hard to cultivate. I feel like this vlog is definitely doing that. Okay, I rest a bit more, and then I gotta get my day started.
Fundamental principle, consider the personality you want to as you see in these explorations. By doing the research, the key to unlocking your
Other people in the world, though, you realise that, right?
You're going to get it. And then you brought in a girl that was long.
Hey, I'm getting the longest cut of a lifetime. Great. It's so straight across. You've never seen a nice kid this person.
So you would have done it. Yeah. Oh, you
4 by 3.
4 by 3. Okay. You have. She's just one personality. Yes.
Really struggling to find customer service. Oh, I feel like I'm being punked right now. I've had 3 people tell me completely different things now. Let's go. I'm filming just in case I end up getting kidnapped when I get off this elevator. Not sure that'll do anything. Ooh, this lighting. She's cool. I'm gonna run out of time. I'm not gonna be able to get ready. Just want to check her out real quick. Oh. Stunning. They're so cute. But is there also an option? What do I do? Okay, I went with my initial purchase and I had some angel fairy lady who is dressed really cute tell me to get the pumps. Oh my god, my hair looks disgusting, but mission accomplished. And now I'm going to stop in, sorry if there's so much noise from this bag, by the way. I'm gonna stop in Sephora because Macon has a Sephora now. Dangerous. Don't know how I'm just now realizing this is here. I'm feeling a bit stressed about time. It's gonna be okay though. This is exactly what I was hoping wouldn't happen today. I was really wanting to give myself a good couple of hours to like relax and really pamper myself, but I don't think that we're gonna have time for that. It's gonna be a little bit of a crazy going into overdrive girl mode get ready at the last minute and still somehow look hot as fuck. Because that's what's gonna happen tonight. This person that you see right here, right now, she's not gonna exist soon. We're going to wipe the slate clean of any time you think that you saw me covered in grime with 3-day, 4-day unwashed, fine and thin hair, mind you, and literally breaking out because I've been a gremlin this week. No, you don't know her. You never met her.
Surreal, more real than reality itself.
I don't know how these things work.
And then will you take this off? It's like a little, it should be a little pin. Yeah, and then the other side. Do I look beautiful?
Mm-hmm. You look very beautiful.
Oh my gosh, careful.
It's good. It made for great content.
Throw the dart. Don't hit me. Oh, just kidding. Don't actually throw it.
These are great because they allow us to educate families and young girls with knowledge about their body and also building their confidence. So thank you to everyone who bought a ticket and donated to be here tonight.
Piece of Adriana. Today is April 25th, question mark, 2024. We are at the Make It Period Prom. And everyone is slutting it up and fucking it up, and we're gonna have a blackout night. Woo! Oh! Body, slay, sexy woman. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wow. Oh, that was cute.
I am so grateful for all of the work that I've been doing and the creative freedom that I have in my day-to-day life. That being said, at the end of the day, nothing is more important than valuable time with your loved ones, whether it's family or friends. I finished up this week spending time with my sister and my nieces. Overall, it was just so wonderful seeing them. So this is your sign to keep moving forward, keep the ball rolling, bring your creative projects to life, because your visions are more capable than you realize of becoming a reality. But this is also your sign to slow down, through those highs of creative flow and refocus on what matters most to you and what's most valuable. And for me, that's my family. If you agree that family is most important, give me a thumbs up, maybe hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye.